Oh, that's a nice yum yum.
Yeah. Here we are. Do you want some? Here we are. Have some oats. Eh? Have some oats. Oats are good for you, hey? Okay. Do you want some oats? No, it doesn't. You can't put it in the water. Give a handful to those ones there. Take a handful. Give some to those ducks. You're simply loving those oats. Hey, oaty face, oat face. You like oats? Oats. All right. That's enough now. Eat your oats. Eat your oats. Yeah. Come. You want some oats? Yeah. Come on. You want your oats? You don't waste it. Look. You've got all the oats. So you just greedy guts. Want some? Want some? You think I've got something different? All right, you're the male. Do you want some? There we are. Have some oats. Okay, help yourself then. Look, help yourself. Help yourself. Here we are, help yourself. It's oats. Have a look. Right, it's oats. Yes, oats are healthy for you. Alright, oat faces. Hey? Well got oats. Eat it up. Don't waste it now, alright? It's the same thing there. Right, I'm picking this up. Do you want any more? Anyone want any more? Here we are. Now's a chance. Yeah. Any more? Any more for oats? Here we are. Here we are. Come on, goosey goosies. Do you want some? All right. Come on then. Good. Eat the grass. It's healthy too. Oats and grass are healthy for you. As long as you don't smoke it and you just eat the grass, it's fine.